Hello YouTube. I know a lot of you people are researching the Yamaha inverter generators, Generacs, the Champions and stuff like that, but I decided to go with a bigger one. I got a real good deal on a used Yamaha Ef4500ise, and this is going to be our first test to see how we can power everything. I have run it for about 5 minutes and warm it up. I'm going to be powering the AC on my camper. It's a 2017 Ford Living Light brand. It does have the Penguin Dometic low profile 13.5, and we're going to do a few power tests to see how she does. Let's see here. You do hear the traffic in the background. I'm not like less than 30 yards from the main highway, so we're going to plug that in. Excuse me for the, I'm going to try to keep this as still as possible. It's my first YouTube video. Maybe should have held that a little bit longer. Alright. Now she does have 574 hours, has a power meter, 1 to 10 bars. I'm going to plug it in. I got the lovely wife inside. See, it kicked up just for a second. I'd say that was the inverter for the batteries. It does have an outside refrigerator. We're going to run the outside refrigerator, air conditioning, and the inside refrigerator on electric. Cut all the lights on and everything. Hey, honey, you got me in there?
Hey, what are we doing?
Huh?
What are we turning on?
Turn the air on.
Okay.
We'll see what kind of... This thing does not have eco. It kind of does it on its own. I guess it's strong enough it doesn't need it. So, let's see, here's the power meter. She's going to turn the air on. That may have been the fan. It popped up 2 bars. Let's see when the compressor kicks in, what she's going to power up to. There she went. 4 bars. Alright, not much difference in the volume. Alright, cut the refrigerator on the inside. I'll try to keep this camera still as possible. Again, excuse me. I don't need no harsh comments, thank you. Got it on? Alright, we're going to go out here and cut the outside of the fridge and make sure it's on. Let's see here. Yeah, it's already on. Actually, that's probably what the first little boost we seen. I cut all the lights on. Got all the lights on. Okay. Kicking it out. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, when I holler at you, I want you to cut the microwave on for about a minute. We're going to see how she does. It says on the internet 58 to 60 decibels, and I believe that's it. Low to high. It's just basically a... Let's see how many bars we got with all the lights on. That didn't make no difference. 5 bars. Alright, you ready? Cut it on for a minute on high. Now we're going to wind her up here and see what we got. Alright, jumped up to 8 bars. These microphones do pick up. They're very sensitive, so it ain't near as loud as what it's showing on video. So that thing's still running. Alright, cut the TV on. Oh, we're going to cut the TV on. I'd say that's 80%, and I'd call that right at what, maybe 3,000 watts? Excuse me. Polly's got me a little bit chugged up. I'm going to guesstimate about 20 feet away. There comes a truck by. I feel sure you can hear the cars over the generator. Right now, the loudest side, which is on all of them, is going to be the exhaust. Let's just work around and see how it sounds. Definitely a tad louder, but overall, I'm very, very tickled with the generator. Yeah, it's a big generator, and yeah, it's going to be a little bare to get on and off the truck, but About 3 or 4 times a year I'm gonna need it for weekends. That ain't gonna be no problem. I don't have to worry about shutting nothing on or off. Like I say, the microwave is still running. Now I've been kicked back off. So we're back down to 5 bars. Outside fridge running, air conditioning, inside fridge. Now I haven't done the hot water heater, so I don't know. We might try it in a second. There's water in it. Hey, kick that hot water heater on a second. I do have it on gas and electric, so let's just see what happens. Is it on? Yeah, that didn't make no difference at all, so I don't know if it's just kicked on the gas. It may be just on the gas. I may have to do another video if anybody wants another video or running specific things. Alright, I'm gonna walk around the other front of the camper here.
The microwave's off.
Yeah, I seen it kicked off. Probably gonna hear cars and stuff. These microphones are so sensitive on these things. Just the air running. There it is right there. Outside, let me get it down here where you can hear it. Oh, you got both of them open. Okay, let's shut them. Alright, questions or comments, feel free to ask. Thanks so much.